What's your expected salary? As much as possible to me, don't give any amount. For all you know, they're offering higher. Nabigay mo na yung amount mo. Or they're offering lower. Possible din naman yon. But assure them that you will trust that they will give the best salary fit for the competence and the value add that you will give. So, spin to the organization the onus of making that decision. Tingnan nyo po kung gaano ako kagaling. Because kung magaling talaga yung talent, magiging malakas ang loob niya na sabihin. Tingnan nyo po kung paano ako trumabaho. Or look at my past performance from my previous employers. Because he knows, he has that confidence in him na kaya ko po, based on the job that you've discussed with me and based on the results that I needed to deliver, I think I can deliver on that. The talent must have that confidence. Given my own competence, I will trust that your organization will give me the best fit salary.